In today's video, I am going to teach you how to group video call in Telegram. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap or click, whether you are on your phone or your computer, so you can get a group video going smoothly and confidently. First, open Telegram on either mobile or desktop. The process is nearly identical on both, and you can start from whichever device you have in front of you. Give the app a second to load your chats and make sure you are signed in to the account you use for your group conversations. Next, open the group where you want to start the call. This needs to be a group chat, not a one-on-one conversation. Double-check you are in the right place by looking at the group's name and picture, so the call reaches the people you expect. On desktop, look to the top right corner of the group window. You'll see a chat options menu. Click it and select Start Video Chat. This immediately prepares the group video call. Telegram will handle the setup for you, and group members will see that a video chat is starting so they can join in. If your camera or microphone is connected, Telegram will use them automatically. Just ensure they're not disabled at the system level. On mobile, begin by tapping the group name at the top of the screen to open the group's profile. In the profile view, tap the video chat button. It's right there in the group profile, easy to spot beneath the group's name and image. Tapping it brings up the same video call flow you'd see on desktop, just optimized for your phone. Before going live, you'll see an option under Start Video Type. Choose whether to start as the group or as your account. Selecting group makes the call appear as hosted by the group itself, which can feel more official in larger communities. Choosing your account starts it under your personal profile, which is great when you are the one leading the discussion. When you are ready, click Start Video Chat or Continue. Telegram will launch the call and notify group members, and you'll be placed right into the video interface. From there, participants can join as they see the prompt in the chat. Keep an eye on your camera framing and audio levels for a smooth experience, and you are all set. That's it. Thanks for watching.